Hi all, welcome to our channel. Any particular Google Map traffic, how to increase it by using Facebook option. So I have Google Map location, I'm not reaching for my audience. So how to increasing audience in Google Map location to the use method of Facebook option. I'm selecting method is called C-Lab Toggle. Here I'm using for Google Map location. Just click the my location will be here. When uploading content time, we can use option called is add update method. Click for add update. What are the photograph? You can upload the first of all. I can upload the photograph here. So after that, I'm using this method. Here I can using for book now, call now option, I think will be applicable. And click for book now option. Here people are only coming to my website purpose. I can use. After upload image, we can cross-post image will be mandatory field. Here it is done. And content is all clear. So you can add any further description, everything. Add will be here. Most of the content will be add this particular option. So now after that, here click for post option. So it is done by properly finish. Where into the Google Map. After upload the content, it is approved or pending. Fraction of second is approve the content. Why? Because no policy violation, nothing content violation, everything is there. After this, we have to location will be people reaching purpose. What is my question? How we can increase my Google Map traffic by method of Facebook? So after this posting content, scroll down. Here it is showing will be content is there. We can go to refresh your Google Map. This is your latest content. Click this content. After click this content, we can option will be given by the share option. When you click for share, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and email, you can click for WhatsApp option. When you click for WhatsApp to our Google Map or Facebook, this is a Facebook option. When you come into the Facebook option, what are the content we can post the users? The content is selected from here. Click this and share this. This is sharing for your Facebook profile. So what is my main target? It is reaching for my Facebook page. After selecting Facebook page, simple. Go to here, click for share this option, same, Facebook. Previous post I'm sharing for Facebook business page. Previous is the profile. Now it is business page. Streamlab Tower. Same method you will post it and click for post it. Same Google Map, we can posting for Facebook profile and a Facebook page also. But when you are selecting for different ways. After this, if anybody looking this post, when you click here, they go to Google Map profile. Google Map profile to where you can target audience by call option, by book no option. They go to your website. What is the destination? Google Map posting will be sharing on Facebook. When you click for Facebook option, they go to Google Map. Google Map to destination will be reaching for the website. Sir, why we can using Facebook? Direct Google Map is there now. As I'm a new Google Map user, I can reaching for more audience purpose. I can use by the Facebook. Why? Facebook already have the existing users. So that is the reason I can go to option name is called Facebook option. So this is the way we have to increase our users. Same post you can sharing for WhatsApp, Twitter, everything is applicable. Click for Instagram, Twitter, everything will be applicable to reaching for Google Map location. So it is done. Here only one option. What are the posts to sharing from Google Map to our Facebook to anything? Here in Twitter, add the image. What are the latest post image? Add it and post it. So people watch your image, they can click the link. Finally, where you can go? They can go to your Google Map location. So this is the method you can follow and increase the views Google Map location. If any further question, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.